I am Quan Yin. And for the third eye and the accepting of the divine nature, I speak. Bring your dominant fingertips of the dominant hand to the third eye and gently tap. As you tap, acknowledge your brothers and sisters, the flowers and their vibratory nature, their distinct essences, their distinct shapes, vibrations, their blueprints. Their physical blueprints are so close to divine, for they do not take themselves personally. Their physical awareness so close to their divine nature, for they express that divine nature equally in the world because they know who they are. When you know that you are divine, your flower nature will rise to the surface. Your divine nature will rise to the surface and you will excel. You will see joy around you and you will see divinity even in the great dark shadows, even in the thickness of disasters, of pain, of sorrow, of lust, of murder, of death. You will see the divine seed in it, and you will be able to help that seed grow by reflecting the divine nature to it. Some will resist it and deny it. They will deny their divinity. Those denial spirits are what you have known on the earth as evil, and yet you will understand the true nature of their divinity, and you will hold true to your natural divine of divinity. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. I have given you the gift of the garden. I want you to use that gift. Use that gift, especially within this next month. There will be some difficulties coming up, and shaking and quaking and squaring in the month of November, especially around the time in your Western world that you know is Thanksgiving. And so give thanks during that time, even for irritations, even for the fears that arrive. And so be still. Be still in your hearts and open to the flowers. Open your flower nature. Be clear in how you choose to be with your divinity during that time. Be clear. We will speak to you again, whisper in your hearts and your souls, and we will come together again around the day before what you call the Giving of Thanks Day, and we will speak to you, reminding you of the divine nature, helping you be aware of how to move through restrictions and constrictions, squares and disasters, and into joy and into the divine nature, helping you to be a flower in a bouquet, a flower in the garden, deeply rooted in joy and divinity. Ah, you can feel the garden now. Hold your palms up, fingers pointing to the sky, palms pointing inwards towards your body, and so that you are a funnel. Hold those palms up. You can rise them near your head, near your third eye. And as they're holding up in a funnel pose around your head or third eye, palms facing towards your temples, towards your physical head, fingers pointing towards the sky, draw the breath in, turn the third eye to the sky, receive the flowers, your brothers, your sisters, receive them. They know their divine nature and they will help you know your divine. They will help you heal your denials and your fears. They will help you embrace your divinity. Tone 3 times, thinking of the flowers and me in the garden, Quan Yin. Breathing in, I am Quan Yin. Accept the divine nature. I am Quan Yin. Breathing in, I am Quan Yin. The flowers are your brothers and sisters. The crown blossom opens at the top of your head. I am Quan Yin. The lotus petals unfurl. Be your divine nature. I whisper to you. I speak to you. I speak to you of joy. I speak to your hearts. I speak to the petals that you are in the divine crown chakra of the divine blueprint of the human race. I speak to you of the divine flower that your crown is and that you are. I speak to you in your hearts. I embrace you. I love you. I speak to you. I speak to you of your divine natures and your glorious beings. Breathe your flower nature into your being. I speak to your hearts. I speak to your third eyes. I speak to you. I speak to you in joy. I speak to you. I speak to your souls. I speak to your hearts. I speak to your flower natures. Feel your flower natures, so gentle, so serene. Feel your flower natures. Feel them. Feel their hearts opening. I am Quan Yin and the flowers in the garden. As you let your heart open to the garden and you let yourself step into the garden, I am with you and I am within. Drawing in the breath, I am Quan Yin. I speak to you, hearts and souls. I dance around you. I bring you joy. I bring you joy. Your hearts they open. I speak to you, all hearts and souls. I speak to you together. Open your palms and feel the lotus growing in the palms of the hands. Feel the tingling in your fingers. Feel the lotus growing in the tips of your fingers. Tiny lotuses bursting with light and with love. Tiny lotuses moving through the earth. Tiny lotuses opening up for rebirth. Bring the energy into your bodies. Let your heart soar. Let yourself dance. Let yourself open. Let yourself feel more. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. Open the palms and hold them up now, cupping them and feeling the lotuses grow. I am Quan Yin. Tone again, 3 times.